Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you saw, we took delivery of our side-by-sides. Today, we're gonna put them to the test off-road.
So in the last video, you saw us do 0 to 60 behind the shop. That was on pavement with off-road tires. Now we're gonna see how the off-road tires do off-road and see if we can keep it on all 4 tires. We can definitely kind of trade stories a little bit and see that there is a difference between having the wider stance of the Can-Am and the little bit narrower stance here. So we definitely are planning on some aftermarket suspension kits that are gonna make these a little bit wider so that they handle a little bit better on some of these trails.
Yeah, put it right there in the water. Let's take a picture of all 3 right there.
Turn it up! Turn it up! Turn it up, Gio! You ain't getting out of there!
We were in the dirt and we were having fun. We were going through turns and then I looked away for 1 second.
It should be
and
right
then
in the center. There
Gio
should be a little hook.
is in the water.
Listen man, I drag race.
Where's your phone?
Do that again?
I drag race, that's what I do. This is different. I know how to go straight and fast.
What would you do without these fine people right here?
Oh no, they're saving me.
Oh, I got a trap.
All right.
No, you gotta turn it on and run it.
Right.
Yeah, drive and put it in reverse and give it some gas.
Oh, it wouldn't start.
It won't start?
No. It might take on water.
That won't start? I ain't gonna do it.
Alright, you might have to go forward. Gio, they charge by the minute here, be careful.
Yeah, I should stick to drag racing.
We saw how fast these things will go. We got to go wide open throttle in some dirt. We tried 2-wheel drive, we tried 4-wheel drive. We saw some awesome trails and we found a deep hole in the water.
Yeah, it's going well for a while, and then it wasn't. You know, I don't know what I was thinking. We were about to set up a picture and the water went from 3 inches to 5 feet and no distance at all. So luckily we met a fellow out here that came out and saved our day. It was and it ended the day, but at the end of the day we had a great time. I mean, the Can-Am is absolutely wicked. The Polaris is awesome. I didn't get to drive the Yamaha, so we'll do it next time. But each one is very different, but very, very cool machines.
Thank you to all of the people who helped us out here today. We met some really great people and we can't wait to come back out again.
I mean, Kevin was a good passenger.
I rode in all of them almost, except the Can-Am, but I must say the Yamaha, I'm a big fan of it. The sequential transmission, the way it handles, is a lot smaller and you can feel it because it just goes everywhere. But these guys, you can just look back and see how wide they are and they must handle well. I rode in the Polaris and it's super nice. The features that it has, it definitely helps out. We didn't get to use the radio or anything, but just the way it handles and the power.
The backup camera?
Yeah, the backup camera, all the features. But it stays high on RPM and Gio was just like nothing, you know, and it was...
I mean, I wouldn't have trusted me. But then again, today we learned I'm a much better drag racer than I am an off-roader, so.
I have never had this type of fun in a car before, so
Definitely.
it is an awesome hobby to add to the list of hobbies that we do as motor people.
We didn't sign up to swim or anything, but Clay went with the water up almost his nose to try to get the Polaris out of the water, man.
Adventure time. All right, well, until next time, to our next adventure, tune in next time.